This is 3 points count for Prof Ed. Number one, what does the statement once a teacher, forever a learner imply about the role of a teacher? A, professional. B, mentor. C, student. D, follower. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Then we'll go for the rationalization for each item. Okay, let's start with the letter A, professional. It focuses more on the career aspect of teaching rather than the continuous process of personal and professional growth through learning. So this is not what our statement refers to in the question. How about letter B? We have mentor. Yes, mentors guide others, but it doesn't capture teachers' role as lifelong learners. Obviously, this is not the answer. Now let's take letter D first, follower. The term follower doesn't encapsulate the active and self-driven nature of learning implied in the statement. So still, this is not what we are looking for. And lastly, in the letter C, student, it implies the teachers are continuously learning. Just students do, no? Embracing the mindset of lifelong learners. Seeking new knowledge, yes, and insights to enhance our teaching processes. So this is what the statement means: once a teacher, forever a learner. The correct answer is letter C. Number two, the school and the community should get into a partnership. For teachers, what ensures them to be part of the community? A, participation. B, membership. C, freedom. D, obedience. You have 10 seconds to answer. Then we'll go for the rationalization. Let's start with the letter D, obedience. It implies passive compliance, no, or a tendency to just follow rather than an active engagement or contribution within the community. So this is not what we are looking for. Next is letter C, freedom. This may refer to the individual liberty of a teacher rather than the collective rule of teachers and the community. So this is not the right answer. Then we have letter B, membership. It assumes inclusion to the community, but it doesn't imply active involvement. Obviously, this is not the answer. And lastly, we have letter A, participation. So here, teachers actively engage and contribute to the community, fostering a sense of belonging and collaboration. So this is the correct answer, letter A, for teachers. What ensures them to be part of the community? Participation. Number three, which activity is most appropriate to help your students master the multiplication table? A, simulation. B, drill. C, reflection. And D, game. You have 10 seconds to answer. Then we'll go for the rationalization. Let's start with letter A, simulation. It provides real-world context now for applying multiplication concepts, but may not provide the same level of focus, repetition for the specific goal of mastering the multiplication table. So it's close, but we are looking for the most appropriate activity. Now let's take letter D first. Games. So games can reinforce multiplication skills, but they may not offer focused repetition for mastering multiplication tables. Then we have letter C, reflection. So it promotes critical thinking, but not as directly applicable for memorizing multiplication tables. Then lastly, we have letter B, drill. So drill is more appropriate because it provides focused and repetitive practice, which is essential for memorization of the multiplication table. So this is the correct answer, letter B.